Hello, everyone. It is Phil Lee returning with another episode of Civil War Chat. Today is Friday, April 28th, 2023. Today's topic is winning at VMI. First, click on the subscribe button down here in the lower right to subscribe to future episodes of Civil War Chat, and also the notification bell in the far upper right to be notified when they are released. So let me go ahead and get started with my presentation here. 6 months ago, Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin appointed Martin D. Brown as the state's Chief Diversity, Opportunity, and Inclusion Officer. Last Friday, Brown, who is African American, made some revealing remarks about the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Initiative at the Virginia Military Institute. As implemented under Black Superintendent Cedric Wins, VMI's concept of DEI replaces equality of opportunity for the individual with equality of outcomes for groups collectively, regardless of merit. By dictating outcome equality for groups distinguished by immutable characteristics such as sex and race, VMI claims to have adopted an anti-racist and anti-sexist policy. In truth, it has adopted an anti-merit philosophy that will inevitably lead to the destruction of any meritocracy. In a speech last Friday at VMI, the governor's diversity officer, Brown, challenged VMI's vision of DEI. Quote, "Let's take a moment right now to kill that cow. DEI is dead. We're not going to bring that cow up anymore. It's dead." This governor has a different philosophy of civil discourse and civility. That is, live by the golden rule, close quote. Such a philosophy is contrary to DEI's conventional rule by intimidation through cancel culture. Quote, "VMI is unique. You've been at the tip of the spear in serving our country as lawyers, but you're also the spear tip in this cultural war. When you are focusing on equity, you are not pursuing merit or excellence or achievement," close quote. Brown also stated that race relations were much improved, apparently over the last 50 years is what he was referring to. Therefore, additional affirmative action policies would be counterproductive. Quote, "Because race relations are better, we cannot ascribe perpetual victimization. Acknowledging those truths frees us to deal with the issues, the real issues of today." In response to a question, Brown later wrote, quote, "Equity has become a trade-off for excellence. Our aim is to expand opportunities, but not guarantee equal results," close quote. And I'm speaking for myself. This is a hill worth dying on. DEI's equality of collective outcome guarantee is a fatal poison. Governor Youngkin and Deputy Brown or Chief Brown must not retreat if this hill is to be won. Make no mistake, the public will notice. Kentucky author Walter Tevis put it brilliantly in his 1959 novel, The Hustler, later made into a movie starring Paul Newman as the Hustler. Okay. Upon winning a redeeming billiard match after a long string of losses, the main character, Eddie Felson, realized, quote, It seemed astonishing to him now how necessary it was to beat this other man. For it was important. It was very important. It is important who won and who did not win. Always, everywhere, to everybody. Okay, I'd like to also show you here, now that I've finished the little talk, my latest novel, Firepower. This is the greatest story about the Civil War, the greatest story never told. Christopher Spencer was on a mission to quickly end the war, quickly win it with his invention of the repeating rifle. But mysterious forces were blocking him. This novel, based on all the facts that I've pulled out from the past, tells the story of how that was done. It is fiction, but it has a plot based in history. By and large, the characters in this novel did what I have them doing and said what I have them saying. You can get an autographed copy directly from me by emailing me, Phil, Phil _ Lee, Leigh, at me.com. It's $13 and $4. I'll cover the postage if you pay $17 here in the United States. That's how much an autographed copy will cost. You can also buy the copy for, I think, $13 at Amazon. And of course, the Kindle version is available there for, I think, $4. Okay, well, that is our show for today, but just keep in mind, it is important who won and who did not win. Always, everywhere, to everybody. That's why we've got to turn back DEI right now at VMI, and do it at VMI just across town at Washington and Lee. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time.